I would hate to think that the government would spend millions of dollars over this when, as Aboriginal medical services and health services, we're struggling as it is, and to see money go towards, huge amounts of money go towards the flag when we actually need that kind of money for service delivery on the ground. It would be a shame to see that happen. But I think that the bottom line is nobody's doubting that Harold Thomas has ownership of the flag and copyright ownership. We just want to use it. We just want to keep our people united. We don't want to have to go through the hassles of getting permissions every time we want to use it. And we're not trying to make money of it. We're actually using it to create healthier spaces for our people. And that's all we want. And I think, that's what I'm hearing.